In case you didn't know it, we're in the South.
Double the porches, double the charm, and double the fun.
Welcome to the good life.
There is nothing standard about the Good Life package. Everything is handcrafted and hand-selected. From a complete appliance suite in the chef's kitchen and the laundry, to the mudroom, his and hers walk-in closets with premium shelving, and so much more.
When Mama Bear needs to catch up on Netflix, the Cubs have their own den.
With 3 covered outdoor spaces, this is the place you can live your good life.
Learn more at slifeandnewmarket.com and let us know when you're stopping by.